wiggly. Can you take one, Mommy?
¡Qué padre que está! ¡Mira qué rosa!
Hi guys, welcome back to ONLE. So today I'm super excited to do this video because today we are at fivebelow. And today we are going to be shopping for fidgets at fivebelow. And remember to subscribe, give it a like, hit the notifications bell, and follow me on Instagram, guys. So this is fivebelow. How it looks like. Whoa! Guys, let's start. So last time there was like a bunch of topics here, but I guess they taken out, or probably they sold them all. But we're gonna go all the way to the place, and we're gonna find a lot of fidgets. Whoa, guys, look at all these gummies. These are a lot of gummies. Come on, Ida. Guys, I'm super excited. Okay, guys, so what's it doing? Oh my gosh! The first thing I saw was some slime. Oh my god, I literally want some watermelon slime. So there's like this watermelon one, grape one, kiwi one. So guys, this is the first one. It's watermelon. It has some pom-poms. Grape one. It also has some foam beads and some pom-poms and some clay. And the same one has the blue one. I think I like the watermelon. So let's add it into the car. Look at all these. They're like a bunch. But I'm gonna take the pink one. These are some Play-Doh foamy slimes. So are you gonna take one, Alda? Alda's gonna take one also. Let's go to the next aisle. Some cotton. Here's even more slime. Guys, these are some fidgets. I literally want to take these. These are like some kind of slinkies. I was right. So guys, look at these snakes. These are super awesome. Blue lizards, red lizards, orange lizards, some blue crocodiles, orange crocodiles, orange snakes. Oh my gosh! Hi, bouncing putty. Oh my gosh. This is super awesome. And it's rainbow. I literally want this, guys. This is for like a prank. Poopies. A pile of guys, Aldo found a lot of fidgets. Look at all these. He found a lion, a panda, and hippopotamus, tiger, and an elephant. How cool! These are some stretchy tigers. And these are also some fidgets. And guys, this is some play foam paws from some unicorns. There's all different colors. Guys, oh my god, there's like a bunch of slimes. Oh my god! Look at this one. It's clear with a little cubes. And there's this pink one. I like these. I think I want to take them, guys. And guys, I recommend you all to come at fivebelow because everything is only $5. Can you believe that? That is super awesome. So guys, I was looking at these and I really like them. I like this color. And they're also some slime. They have a lot of glitter inside. There's a lot of colors, but sadly there's no pink. But good, we have more pink stuff in the car. Guys, I'm just saying there's a lot of fun stuff. And guys, we need to find the puppets. Let's look around for the puppets. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. Super cute, guys. So you can write. It's a plushy journal. Guys, we are gonna go where you pay and we're gonna see if there's the puppets because we really need those puppets. So guys, there was no puppets sadly, but we still got a lot of stuff. A Play-Doh for me. This little balloon dog. I got this giant high bouncing putty. It was super awesome. I got this slimes. I got this cute green slime. This other pink tie-dye slime. This slinky. And the watermelon mocha. Pizzas, minis, dinos, and this Play-Doh foam. All of these other fidgets that are super soft and stretchy and super nice. And that's all we got. So how about now we go and pay, guys? Oh my god, guys, look at what we just found. This is some kind of also a fidget balloon that's super squishy. It's pink and I got some ice and it stretches. Wow. Look at it. It looks just like a hot dog. Let's add it into the car. Oh my god, guys. We got everything. Guys, we got to another location of Five Below to find some puppets. So let's go inside. Hopefully there's a lot of puppets, please. Let's go inside. Come on, baby. Guys, look, we just found these amazing balls. Can we take one, Mommy?
Padre que está, mira qué rosa. Esto está genial.
Oh my god, guys, these are super big. Damn, baby. Hello, what's the grandma chicken? So guys, look at, we found the wiggle worms. Now here is a bunch of wiggle worms. This one is the one that I bought. Pink one. But my favorite color ball is this ocean blue. Yummy. They're super nice. They're all super squishy.
Wiggly worms se llaman.
Wiggly worms,
Wiggly
guys.
worms.
Hello, I'm super wiggly.
Ew. Fake vomit. More stretchy toys. More stinky poop.
Ew, poop slime. Oh, these are cute. Has little shimmeries. Mermaid slime.
Está bien padre.
Sí. Este es el rosa que no estaba allá.
This is Galaxy.
Your Galaxy? Where? Oh, this one is the Galaxy that I bought. I mean, guys, these are some squishy. We like these.
Qué bonito.
Look, guys, there's this K.
Yeah.
There's this M, just like my name. This one, this other toes. Oh my god, guys, these are super cute. I really want to buy one. Just found this M squishy, this giant ball. Guys, this is a giant ball. Okay, guys, so we already got out from the Five Below. We didn't buy puppets, but I did find a lot of other stuff. And now let's go home to see all of our surprises. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. shopping at Five Below with all of these fidgets. And remember to go to the second part where I am going to be opening all of my Five Below toys. And remember to give it a like, hit the notifications bell, leave a comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Bye guys, see you in the second part.